How to use the point of sale system. So to be able to use it, you need to first of all come to the POS button on here and then you tap on it. So when you tap on it, this interface will pop up for you to start selling. Also, you can go back and then tap on the sell feature and then you just go and tap on POS. Then the interface will pop up for you to start selling. So we have the location for you to add a location that this sales is being done. Also, the date and time will be generated for you. We have the back button on here for you to go back and then use the other features on the system. We have the close register. So after you finish making sales for the day, you can just close your register on here. And then also register details will let you see all the details of the sales that you've done. We have the calculator on here for you to use it in case you are selling and you want to use it. We have the sale return on here. So in case somebody purchases an item for you, you can just add the purchase or the product back by tapping the invoice number. Then we have the F button on here for you to increase the interface for a full screen. We also have the suspended sales button on here. So in case you are selling and you suspend the sale, you can just come here and then view the sales that you suspended. We have the add expense on here. So in case of sales and you want to add an expense, you can just tap on it and add the details of that expense. Then after that, you just tap on close. So to be able to sell, we have the products on here for you, all the products that you've added on the system. You can as well search by categories or brands. So when you tap on categories, you just search for the products that are under that categories, and then they will pop up for you to just start selling. You can equally also search by brand. So when you tap and search the brand, all the brands will pop up for you. So we have the search button on here for you to search for the customer details. So if the customer's details is already on the software, you just search for the name and then you add. If it's a working customer, you just leave it and then you sell to the person. If you want to add a customer details during sales, you just tap on the plus sign and then you add the details. So if this customer is a business, you just check on business and add the details. If it's an individual, to you tap on it and add the details. So when you add the details, automatically the details will be added on the system for you. So you just tap on save and then the details will be added on the system for you. You can equally sell for this customer by a selling price group. So you search for the selling price and then you add. We have the search button on here for you to also search for the products that you want to sell. And also we have the plus button on here for you to add a new product onto the system. So you just type or add the required details and then you tap on save to add. So to be able to sell, you just tap on the product and then the product will pop up for you. So you just add the quantity or you subtract the quantity that the person is selling or the customer is selling, and then automatically the total will be generated here for you and also the total items purchased. You can add discounts onto the purchase. So the discount type and then the discount amount. Then we have the tax. So you can add a tax onto the product purchased and also the shipping or delivery details. So if you want this product to be delivered, you just add the details of the product and then you tap on update. So we have drafts on here. So in case you want to draft this sales, you just tap on it and then it will be added to your draft. So if the customer comes and you want to sell it, you just come to recent transactions and then you tap on draft. So when you tap on draft, you can see the sales that we just added to the draft. Then we just tap on edit if we are making the sales now. So you can see it will be popped up here for you to just sell it. So you tap on and then you make the sales if the person has paid. So you can save this invoice. So to be able to draft a quotation to during sales, so you just tap on the product the person wants to buy, you add the quantity if there is discount or shipping or tax, you just add it and then you draft it. So when you draft it, this interface will pop up for you to print it out. So in case you want to see this quotation, you just come to the recent transactions and then you tap on quotations. And then you tap on edit, then you can make the sales. We have suspended as well. So in case you're selling and you want to suspend a sale during any issue, you just tap or add the note on this product. So why this sale was suspended, you just add it and then you can equally print it out as well. So if you want to check the suspended sales, you just come to the view suspended sales button on here. And then if you want to make sales now, you can just add it. So you see the amounts that this customer was supposed to pay before, and then you sell it. We have the credit sale button on here too as well. So if you want to credit the sales too, you just tap on the credit sale to add in case this customer has a limit. You just sell the person on credit. Maybe you added this customer under customers that have credit limits during sales from you. You just add it on here and then it will pop up. In case this customer wants to purchase with a card too, tap on card to sell this purchase with a card. We have the multiple pay on here as well. So if this customer wants to pay bit by bit, let's say the customer has 200 in cash and wants to pay with cash, just add the payment method and then the payment account. You can add a note if you want, and then maybe with the other balance, the customer wants to use a different routine. You can just add it, and then if you want to add more payment method, you can just add another one and then you finalize payment. So you see the details on here for you. Okay, so there is no advance payments. The customer maybe went to withdraw the other cash, so you can just add it. And then you finalize payment. So you can print it out as well. So you see all the details here. 200 and then 200 again and then 400. We also have the cash. So when the customer buys a product from you, so the system has told us that this product is out of stock. So you can just buy another product. and then you just cash it. So you see the details of the product, total amounts involved, then you just tap to save or you keep it. You can as well cancel a purchase. So in case somebody is buying and then you want to cancel it, just cancel. So after all the sales that you've done within that day, you can just come here and then close register. So when you close register at the end of the day, you see all the details on the sales that you did. So the date and time, the time you started and then the time you ended the sales. Then the payment method as well. So those with bank transfers and cards and checks and then cash payment and all that, you'll be able to see those who pay through all that. You'll be able to see the expenses as well. So the total expenses will also be shown here for you. And then you see the details of all the products that was being sold. So you'll be able to see the discounts that was placed on every sale and also the total shipping charges and then the grand total. You'll be able to view the sales by products sold, by brand, and then also the total cash that you had for the day. So you'll be able to see the ones on the cart and then the ones which was being paid by checks. So the user, that is the employee or the cashier that did the sales, you'll see their details on here and then you can close your register.